So let us start now. In the last lecture we did some problem, that is handshake wala question kiya. That was the best. Let us do some more thing. Suppose there are student and professors का question किया क्या? That is also a famous question mostly. Uh, yeah, I will just write it. See, there are 5 professors and 5 students. Okay, a committee of 6 person, committee of 6 persons is to be formed, taking at least taking at least 2 persons from each group. From each group. Find the number of such possible committee. Number of possible committee. Okay. Oh, committee. Okay. Anybody would like to try? I'll just give you 30 seconds. Think about the question. You can put your answer in the chat box. So there are 5 proposals. ये 5 हैं. Sorry for the bad handwriting. You have to form a committee of 6 people, correct? So there will be some cases. Do you see that? Yes. What is that? Okay, if you are having 2 students, then you have to take 4 professors. What next? If you have 3 students, then three. Very nice. What next? If I have 2 professors, perfect. Can I have 5 students? No. Why? Because there is a condition given. It has at least 2% of each group. Correct. So let us start with case one. What is case one? You are having 2 students and 4 professors. Correct. How many students are there? You are having 5 students. You want to choose 2 students. So what is the answer? Very nice. 5C2. And I'm saying and. So and will give me a multiplication. How many professors are there, and you want to choose how many of them? 5C4. Very nice. Correct. Can you quickly complete this? 5C2. Let us keep it as it is. 5C4. Can I write this guy as 5C1? Do you remember the formula? NCR is same as NCN minus R. So now that is the best thing we can do. Now let us solve it. In the denominator it is 2 into 1. Here it will be up to 2 terms, 5 into 4. And here in the denominator only 1 and here 5. Correct? So if you cancel it, what is the answer? 50? Yes. In the case 2, can you similarly do? I'll just try to write here only. In the case 2, if you are having 3 students and 3 professors, what will be the answer? From 6 student, oh sorry, from 5 student, no? That is 5C3 and 5C3. Do you agree? Correct? Yes. And this is same as 5C2 into 5C2. Do you agree? Again, and NCR is same as NCN minus R. Now you just quickly complete it and tell me the answer. That is 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1. Multiply the same thing, 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1. What is the answer? 100, no? Do you see 100? Nice. Okay. What about case 3? I'll directly write. You are having 4 students, 2 professors. So that will be same as case 1. 5C 4 multiply by 5C2. Do you agree? And 5C4 is same as 5C2, and sorry, 5C1, no? This is same as 5C1. This is same as 5C1 multiply by 5C2. You already know what is the answer. That is 50. So what will be your final answer? Do you remember the addition principle? When you are having cases, that is possibility, then the final answer will be addition of all the cases. Correct? So what will be the final answer? That is 50 plus 100 plus 50. Is that clear, everyone? I'll write it here. That is total number of possible committee is equal to 50 plus 100 plus 50. That is 200. Is the question clear, everyone? Okay. Just go through the question once again. See whether it is clear to you. Okay. So let us go to the next question. Um, See, there are 20 points in a plane. Okay, of which 8 are collinear. Do you understand by collinear? Anyone? Find the number of straight line which can obtained by joining these points. What do you know by collinear? What do you understand by the word collinear? That should lie on a straight line. 2 points, if they lie on the same straight line, then we say that they are collinear. Is that clear, everyone? If we are having so many points, then we say that they are collinear. These 4 points are collinear. They lie on the same straight line. Okay. So I'll ask you one more question. To draw a straight line, how many points it is enough for you to draw a straight line? If you are having a graph and you want to draw a straight line, if you are given 1 point, how many points is the minimum requirement to draw a straight line? 2, everyone, do you agree? If you are having one, so you may have so many straight line, correct? There are infinitely, I want only one straight line, correct? So if you are having only 1 point, then it may have so many. But if you are having 2 points, say, then there will be a unique straight line passing through there. Is that clear? Very nice. Yeah, that was important thing. Now, so number of straight line out of 20 points. So if you are having 20 points, correct, you have to select only 2 points of them. टू पॉइंट्स का पेयर बनाना है अपने को. सो नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन विच कैन बी ड्रॉन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आई विल जस्ट राइट मे बी 10. Why? This is a question of selection, huh? Out of 20 people you want to choose two people. Anyone think about this? Out of 20 persons you want to choose two-person, you want to select two-person, like that. Hey, that's not difficult. Very nice, 20c2. Perfectly all right. That is number of straight line will be which can be drawn is equal to 20c2. That is what 20 into 19 upon 2 into 1. तो ये कितना आएगा? I think 190 आएगा ना. So out of you are having 20 points and you want to find the straight lines, correct? So there will be 190 straight line, but there is one more condition given. Do you see that? What is that condition? सो 8 पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर है. सो अगर सपोज मैंने एक दो पॉइंट यहाँ के एंड यहाँ के भी दो पॉइंट यहाँ के भी, दे आर ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड हियर everybody. So I don't want that. You see that I don't want the points which are forming by this guy. 1 2 3 4 5 6, I will write 7 and 8, correct. So ये एक पॉइंट, ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन that is repeated so many times. Do you see that? How many times? अपने केस में वी आर रैंडमली सेलेक्टिंग एनी 2 पॉइंट ना. सो दैट 2 पॉइंट में बी हियर ऑल्सो, बट वी आर काउंटिंग इट एज द डिफरेंट स्ट्रेट लाइन. दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. So if you are having 8 points, how many straight line can you draw? No, I am saying if you are having 8 points, I'm not talking about collinear. Just forget about collinear thing. I'm just asking you if you are having 8 points, it may be anywhere. I'm not saying whether they are collinear or anything. You want to find the number of straight line. Why it is 4? In the earlier case, what did you do? Okay, okay then. 8c2. वाई डिवाइड बाई टू? अगर वही करना होता तो पहले क्वेश्चन में नहीं किया? पहले क्यों किया ऐसा? सी आउट ऑफ 20 पीपल you want to choose two people. Same question is here. Out of 8 people you want to choose two people. Do you understand? एंड यू जस्ट ट्राई टू ड्रॉ ऑल्सो. तुम्हें दिखेगा बहुत पॉइंट्स है, बहुत स्ट्रेट लाइन फॉर्म हो सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि तो यू आर विल बी हैविंग ओनली फोर स्ट्रेट लाइन. इफ यू आर हैविंग 8 पॉइंट्स, यू कैन सी 1 2 3 4. एक को मैं फिक्स किया, यू विल बी हैविंग अराउंड 8 स्ट्रेट लाइन. देन आफ्टर द सेकेंड 1 1 2 3 लाइक दैट. You are having so many straight line. Do you see that, everyone? So now the condition is that I don't want that. जो भी 8c2 वाले हैं ना, I don't want that. Is there are 8c2 people जिनसे कितने फॉर्म होंगे स्ट्रेट लाइन? that is a into 7 upon 2 into 1. So there are 28 जो मैं एक्स्ट्रा काउंट कर रहा हूँ ये केस में, समझ रहे हैं? In this 190 I am counting 28 more people which are forming just a straight line. So what will be my number of straight line final? Can somebody tell me? Think about it. 190 minus 28, very nice. But see 28 मतलब सारे 28 को निकाल दिया तो अभी ये लाइन भी काउंट नहीं होएगा ना. They are contributing one line as, correct? All these 28 lines, they are contributing as one line, so I have to take that also ना. 28 मतलब मैंने सबको निकाल दिया, so I have to take that also. Is that clear? Just think about this question once again. Take some time. See, in the first case, what did you see? If you are having 20 points, you want to form a straight line, you want to choose any 2 point. Perfect. So if you choose 2 point, then what? You are having 20 C2, that is 190 straight lines. But out of that 190 straight line, you are given that there are 8 points which lie on, which are collinear. What do you mean by that? Which are collinear? They are lying on a straight line only. Means for all of them you are having one line. These 28 lines are only one line in our case. So what I will do, I will subtract that 28 line, and I will at the place of 28 I will put one line only. That is, I am subtracting 190 minus 28 plus 1. Is that clear, everyone? That will be, I think, 163. Very nice. Just go through once again. These type of questions are very nice. You just have to think about it. Yes, yes. See, uh, to form a straight line, you require only 2 points. Is that clear? Yeah. So if you are having 20 points, so number of straight line would be 20 C2. Is that clear also? So there are total 190 straight line, but the one more condition in the question is given. Out of that 20 points जो हम लोगों ने start में select किया, there are 8 points which are collinear. That means what? वो 8 point एक ही straight line form करेंगे. But let me see, अगर ये 8 points collinear नहीं होते तो कितना line form होता है? That is what I wrote there. That is, if these 8 points are not collinear, then it would form 8C2 line. That is 28 line. So I am putting that 28 inside this also, correct? Because I am not taking any condition here about any 8 points or something like that. So 28 is included here. So what I will do, I'll subtract that 28. मतलब क्या किया मैंने? Now I'll be having only those points which are not covering this guy. 28 seat 2. What next? What should I do now? अभी मैंने सबको रिमूव कर दिया जो भी ये स्ट्रेट लाइन पे लाई करते थे, बट जो भी ये लाई करते थे दे आर एटलीस्ट फॉर्मिंग, दे आर कोलिनियर ना. कोलिनियर मीन्स दे विल बी कंस्टिट्यूटिंग एज अ वन लाइन, so I have to take that one line also. So that's why I'm adding plus one. Yes. Maybe you just go through, think about this question once again later on. You'll get to know. It takes some time. No issue. Good. Yeah. And I'll be putting some assignment problem based on this also. These type of questions also. Don't worry. Let me just quickly talk about one more question. See, once you try to do the assignment, now you will be feeling nice. Ki yes, we you can solve it. A Supreme Court bench consists of 5 judges. find number of ways in which the bench can give a majority decision. Think about this question. I'll give you 30 seconds. See, majority decision means what? Out of 5 people, what will be the majority? What do you think? 3, 4, 5. Either 3 or 4 or 4, correct? Either all of them is agreeing, or 4 people out of them is agreeing to the same thing, or 3 people also, then it is also a majority. Is that clear? So that is only 3 cases here. Case 1. What is case 1? Correct. 5C3. Very nice. What is case 2? 5C4. Very nice. What is case 3? 5C5. Just complete this. What is 5C3? That is same as 5C2. Do you agree? NCR is same. See, all the time I am using that so that you should be comfortable with this thing. So ये क्या आएगा? 5 into 4 upon 2 into 1. So what will be that? 5 to the 10. ये हो गया 10. What about this? 5C4, that is same as 5C1. Do you agree? Yes? Okay. What next? 5C5? 5C0, that is 1, no? Yes. So what is the total? That is number of ways this can be done. Total number. This will be 10 plus 5 plus 1. See, whenever you are having cases, try to put something like that. Case 1, case 2, case 3. It will be easy to see that you have to add them. Because many people still now, even in the BSc also, they used to do this type of mistake. They don't understand multiply कब करना है, add कब करना है. So whenever you are having options, that is whenever you are having cases, then you have to do addition. And whenever you are having compulsion कि दोनों काम होना ही चाहिए, something like that, then you have to do the multiplication. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay, so let us do some more problem. Yeah. The staff of a department consists of a manager, an officer, and 10 clerks. Okay, a committee of 4 is to be selected. Committee of 4 is to be selected from the department. Okay, find the number of ways. Number of ways this can be done. This can be done so as to always include one manager Second, manager but not officer. Uh, Not officer. And third, neither manager nor officer. Okay, I'll give 1 minute. Think about this. You can put your answer in the chat box if you want. Just think about it. Do not, yeah, do not say anything. I want everyone to think. Just everybody think about it. Those who are done, they can put it in the chat box. But don't go and start looking in the chat box, okay? You have to think. Okay, how many managers are there? Yes, there is only one manager. Okay. And how many officers are there? Okay. And how many clerks? Perfect. So for the first answer, the question is saying number of ways this can be done. You want to select 4 people, correct? And you are saying manager तो होना ही चाहिए. ठीक है? So you are having one manager and you want to select that guy. So that can be done in as 1C1. Correct? Is that clear? Perfect. Very nice. So how many people are remaining now? Manager अपना काम हो गया. बाकी there are 10 plus 1 11 people. I want to select from the 11 people. I want to select 3 people. Do you agree? Perfect. We are done now. What is the answer? 1C1, that is 1. And what is 11C3? That is 11 into 10 into 9 upon 3 into 2 into 1. What is the final answer? You just multiply and tell me. 165. Anybody else with the same answer? Anyone else? Anyone else with the answer 165 for the first one? Okay, good. Very nice. Okay, what about the second question? Think about this question. Okay, uh, just explain me. So manager 1C1, correct? Yes, perfect. Very nice, very nice. Do you agree, everyone? You don't want to choose that officer here, correct? So that can be done in 10C3. You have to choose only 10 clerks. Out of that 10 clerks, you want to choose 3 people. So that can be done in 10C3. That is 10 into 9 into 8 upon 3 into 2 into 1. Just complete this. क्या आएगा? 120. Very nice. Good. What about the third one? Yeah, that is quite simple, isn't it? You don't want to choose manager also, you don't want to choose officer also, so you have to choose all the four people out of the clerk only. So there are 10 clerks, you want to choose four people, so that is 10c4. Just complete this 10 into since you are having 4 तो नीचे क्या आएगा 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. In the numerator it will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Just complete this and tell me the final answer. कट करो, देखो कट होता है. 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 कैंसिल हुआ. 3 3 ज़ा 9 is 21. 210. Very nice. Correct. Good. अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. How was that? Okay. Good. एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं. On this then we'll finish this. ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट होएगा अपना permutation and combination का. I'll be putting some assignment problem for you. With the answers also you can verify it. Answers मतलब सिर्फ answers रहेंगे. You just have to verify later on. Yeah. A company has to send 50 salesmen to three zones A, B and C for promotion of sales. Obviously salesman है तो. Okay. The required number of person zones is 15, 15 and 20 respectively. Okay. Now it is required to send five particular person to zone A, 10 to zone B, and 8 to zone C. Okay. Find the number of ways this can be done. Find total number of ways of achieving this target. Yeah, think about it. I'll give 30 seconds. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, 30 सेकेंड में हो जाना चाहिए. Sorry, I will take this one. Yeah. So how many salesmen are there? 50, correct. And how many particular salesmen? How many particular salesmen जो मतलब जाने ही चाहिए ऐसा टाइप. For zone A, zone B, zone C, you are given. That is 5, 10 and 8. Do you see that? And 8, correct. That is 23, isn't it? So let us start with that only. The total number of particular people is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 8, that is 23. So what are the remaining number? Remaining number is 50 minus 23, that is 27. So 27 is remaining, 23 are particular, correct? So now think about it. For zone A, what do you want? Now that is quite simple, huh? For zone A, hey, that is quite simple, huh? See, you have to select 15, 15, 15. Yes, and zone A, you have already selected 5 people. So how many remaining people are there? How 10? You want to select 10 more people, and from which set? From the remaining number, do you agree? Yeah, you have already selected 5 people, and the remaining 10 people will be selected from this 27. Correct? So this can be done in, well, right, quickly. Out of 15, 5 is already selected, correct? 5 are already selected. So there are only 10 people remaining. This can be done in 27 C 10. Correct? Is that clear? I'm directly writing. I hope you can understand that. For zone B, tell me. Perfect. 10 are selected. So how many are remaining now? 5. And 5 you have to select from. You have to select 5 people. You have already selected 10. You have already selected 10 people. Now, so how many people you are remaining? You want to select only 5. 5 people, correct? So I'll just write out of 15, 10 are already selected. Correct? So you want to select 5 people out of how many people? Will it be 27? 17, no? Yes. Is that clear, everyone? So remaining to be selected, it is 17, correct? So that is, out of this 17 you have to select 5 people, that is 17C5. For zone 3, yes, you have already selected कितने हैं? Correct, 8 are already selected. What else? So how many people are there? So now we are having only 12, do you understand? And you have to select 12 people only. Remaining you are having 12, and you have to select 12 more. So that can be done in 12C12. Do you agree? That can be done in one ways, I think. What is the total number of ways this can be done? Don't worry, I'll just repeat it once again. Whether it is addition, multiplication, what do you think? Okay, is this a choice for all zone? Because I am particularly talking about zone A, zone B and zone C. Is it a choice whether zone A हुआ, zone B नहीं हुआ, ऐसा है क्या? No, no. Perfect. That is multiplication. See, whenever you are having choice, then only you just try to do that. Correct? Yes. So this is your final answer. You can just complete it ये solve करके. ठीक है? Let us quickly see once again. Read the question properly. So we started with how many people are there, total number of people which you want to select. So total number of 50 people are there, and total number of particular salesman, that is 23. So remaining there are 27 only. Correct? So for zone A you are having 15. That is, you want to select 15 people. Out of 5 are already selected, so you are only having 10. So 10 can be done in the remaining ways, that is 27C10. Is that clear? Is the first part clear? Oh, sorry, I should. Yeah. Yes. What is the next thing? For zone B, out of 15, 10 all are already selected. So how many now? Now you have to select only 5. So you have to select only 5 out of remaining how many? 17. Why 17? Because you have already selected 10. So that is 27 minus 10. That can be done in 17C5 ways. What next? For zone C, see, all the time remaining people keeps on decreasing. Huh? You are selecting for each zone. Do you see that? All the time your remaining people is keeps on decreasing. For zone 1 you have already chosen 10 people from the remaining, so now you are having only 17 people remaining. Correct? For zone I, you are selecting 5 people, so now it decreased to 12 remaining people. Do you understand that? I'll just write here you are having 27 remaining. Now you have selected 10 out of them, so now your remaining is now only up to 17 remaining. So out of this 17 you have to select 5. Now in the next case you have selected 5, now you are having only 12 remaining. Correct? So out of this 12, now is the question clear now? Read the question once again, you will get that. That is quite simple. Just you have to reduce all the time that remaining number of people, because you are selecting, you are not having any option कि हाँ यहाँ पे भी काम करेगा वहाँ पे भी काम करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. If you are selecting 10 people out of this 27, so वो 10 को अपने को हटाना है. They are not the member of that remaining people anymore. So for the B we are having only 17 people and you have to select. That is quite easy, isn't it? Is that clear, everyone? Okay, so this chapter completed today. So we'll be starting with the linear programming in the next chapter. That is the linear programming. Okay. Thank you so much.